Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be doing unboxing this water dispenser. So I did quite a bit of research around, which merchant would give me a better deal. So I checked with Home Depot and Amazon's, and it turns out that they both have the same price. So I just went with Amazon. So here, I think I paid about $139 for this, and they ship out pretty fast. I think within 2 days. And I got it right away. So, and they ship it with UPS, so I don't know how much they pay UPS, but I mean, just the shipping cost alone already. And the guy at UPS is really pretty good. He can actually push this all the way into a long driveway. And the way they package this, I think I should give them credit, because during the rain, so they put this plastic things here. That is very, very, very good, very considerate. Okay. I bought a pack of battery too from Home Depot not too long ago, and when it was raining, I don't know who dropped it off, but they just dropped it over my fence and it was soaked wet. So again, that's they know that it's raining and they still just ship it the way it is, so not really considerate. But here we are. We're going to unbox this one. So this one is here's the specifications right here, the dimensions. 355 times 386 times 1115 millimeter, and it uses 115 volts, 60 hertz, and this was made in China. It's UL listed, and this side up, and it tells you how much. And this is the bottom up. So you put instead of like the top one, this one's gonna be you load it from the bottom, which is good, because as we get older, it takes us a lot of, energy to load it from the top. So from the bottom, it's a lot easier. So that's why I went with this one. And this one, I think they have like over 9,000 reviews. So I'm going to list all of the descriptions in these, all information in the description card. So if any of you guys want to buy it, you can. Now let's remove this. See the way the inside, the way how they package this, just really nice, really well thought out. Okay, so I'm probably gonna slide back. Eh? Wow, I didn't cut the bottom. It's easy. Just lift it. Voila. Oh. So just like any other ones, they have the quick start right here, the installations, how to install it, dry tip, everything's here. So we usually read this first, and let's see what it says. It says, very important, do not return this product to the place of purchase. For assistance with assembly, product concerns, or missing parts, please contact Avalon expert. So here's a number, 1-800-256-0695. Or you can email them at support@avalonh2o.com. This is really neat, you know what I mean? So they take responsibility of it, and instead of you contacting Amazon or Home Depot, you know what I mean, they want you to contact them, and they give them an opportunity to resolve the issue. So another thing is, when you buy stuff from different merchants and different companies, you want to look for those, okay? Because you know that they stand behind the product. Plastic cover, you can remove it. Pick it up. Just a nozzle. Okay. So that's pretty much it. And let's see, that guy. It's night light too. Where? All right, so on the top portions, you got 3 buttons right here. They got child-proof too, so you notice, so child safety. So if for a child they can't do it, they gotta press it over here and then push it down. This is cool room temperature, and this is cold. And over here, they got 3 different nozzle filling. So I have an older one, or the one that I currently have. It just has one spout that's going down and all the water. But here, when we plug it in, you can see the different LED or lights that will be displayed. So which we're gonna do in a little bit. But let me show you on the back. So on the back, as you can see here, to be specific, let's see, this is the serial number, and right here, this is the model number A4BLWTRCLR. Okay, and this is the night light. So, which is neat. You can turn it on, and this is the cold, and this is the hot. We can turn it on. All right. So let's see what else here. So why don't we take it down there, and we're gonna plug it in and test it out. So this is where we want to put it. So we just move this blue rubber up, and then you just push this down, and then you just push it back down, and then it fits really tight. So the good thing about the bottom is this: you just place it in here like this, all right, and then you just close it. And once you close it, it will do its things. You'll probably see the light turns on. And I'll show you about the night light. So if you get that, when I press to turn on the night light, there should be a light here that turns on. In the back over here, you can see it. That's a night light, or I'm gonna leave it on. And I'm gonna turn on both the hot water and the cold water in the back. So once you find the place you really like already, and without the button, you can move it back into its positions inside a little bit, and then leave it there. So this thing does come with a 1-year warranty. So this video is just basically only for the unboxing and what it comes with. And it does come with 1-year warranty. So maybe down the line, if I want maybe a couple months, 5 months, 6 months, or a year, I'll do like a follow-up on like a review of the product itself and see how good it is. Yeah, but this one is not sponsored. I use my own money for this. So whatever I say here, just, from my own opinion, no one's paying me or anything like that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.